Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Virbo, which is an online tool for creating videos using AI. So you can choose between many different avatars and simply paste in your script, select a voice and basically create a video in minutes. You can even upload footage of yourself to train an AI on your both looks and voice so that you can quickly generate content with you as the speaker, but in any kind of language you can imagine, and without needing any like recording equipment like a microphone and camera and so on. And just for the record, if we're gonna use like AI generated avatars for this channel, at some point we're gonna always put a badge at the like an icon in the video, so you know if it's AI generated. We haven't really decided. We think it could be cool for something like AI news to have like a recurring series with like pure AI generated content covering the news, but we haven't decided yet. Maybe me and my co-founder Yiling talked about perhaps making like a fun avatar of both of us, so it becomes super obvious that it's AI. In any case, it's not something we're going to do for the main content, but we thought it could be fun to start experimenting. But anyway, in this video, I'll just show you how to create the content with a tool like Virbo by Wondershare. Okay, so here is the main interface. So it's like basically you can start with like either an AI avatar or an AI voice or a template. So in our case, we're going to start with an avatar. So we can press the more just to browse the different avatars, and yeah, as you can see, there are a lot of options both on background but also isolated from background. So I think I'll do something like Henry. You simply just press create video, and in our case let's do a regular YouTube 16:9 video, and you just open up in this studio where you can select different backgrounds. You can even add avatars and so on here as well. And I actually already have a script. I used ChatGPT to help me create a script about the wonders of Bitcoin. So I'm gonna paste in the script. And yeah, and then we're gonna choose a voice. So we press the voices, and I think, I mean, I've been listening to some of these voices, and I think my favorite was the one by Andrew. We can always listen to a preview.
Single soul inhabiting two bodies.
All right, so let's pick this one. Press OK. And then we can simply press play, and it will generate the audio for this particular voice.
Consider a form of money designed specifically to maintain its value over time. Simple.
All right, so that seems to work. So now all we have to do, if assuming we don't want to do any edits, we can just name it Bitcoin, and yeah, basically all we have to do is to press export. We cannot see the video like with the mouth movement before we press export, because I guess it's because it takes quite a bit of compute to generate the movements. So so only after export we can see that. So let's press export. Let's do it in 4K, and it will start exporting, and it goes to a queue. Okay, so now it's done exporting. So let's take a look at the final output for our Bitcoin video.
Consider a form of money designed specifically to maintain its value over time. Simple, transparent, and secure. Bitcoin isn't just digital currency. It's a carefully engineered financial innovation, created to resist manipulation and maintain scarcity. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is governed by mathematics, not by politics or central banks. With a fixed supply capped at 21 million coins, it offers genuine protection against inflation, Preserving your purchasing power through years or even generations, Bitcoin allows you to store wealth securely and independently, free from reliance on financial institutions or government interventions. It offers universal access, transcending national boundaries and economic instability. In essence, Bitcoin represents an elegant solution to preserving wealth, combining transparency, security, and long-term stability. Are you prepared to embrace the future of reliable digital savings?
All right. So, I mean, it's pretty good. Obviously, there is a bit with, I hope my hand movement is a bit more like natural, but I think it's like, it's definitely a nice tool for quickly generating content in like for different audiences, different languages, and so on. Another way to do this is to actually have Virbo create the entire video with the flow and everything, basically a AI talking video. So what you can do is you can provide Virbo with different assets that can be used for that video, such as slides. So I actually had ChatGPT create 6 slides in the same conversation where it also created the script for the video. When you use a reasoning model like O3, you can use the image generation model of ChatGPT and basically say create 6 slides, and then it will actually create 6 separate images automatically. So this is what it created: a new standard of money, what is Bitcoin, protection against inflation, governed by mathematics, preserving purchasing power, the best savings technology. So I'll basically save these slides and then import it into to Virbo. So back in Virbo, we simply press AI talking video. Here we can actually just type the topic of the video, then their AI models will create the script. We can also just paste in the script from before, and then based on that script, it will basically create a new script that fits the length and everything we choose. Okay, and let's upload the media. So have the 6 slides here. We add those. We can select language, so we can make this in any language, any of the supported languages we want. Let's just pick English for now, but I could do Danish. For instance, I'm Danish. I could do something for the Danish audience as well. Let's try English, and we set 16:9 as well. Duration, let's put 1 minute. And avatar, I think this time let's try like one that's isolated on a white background, like Gabriel. So we pick him, select, and that's basically it. Then we just hit generate video. And then it will start analyzing all the media we provided and the script and so on. And it's now done creating the video. Of course, it's just the avatar we chose, and then gradually, like throughout the video, it has put in the slides in different formats, like full screen, sometimes split screen, and so on. So it tries to create like a natural flow with the slides as well. So I think I'll just try to export this so we can see the final result with the movements and everything. Okay, so let's press export, and it will begin exporting. So we can track the progress here. It's pretty quick. Okay, let's take a look at the result.
Welcome to the world of Bitcoin.
The most revolutionary savings technology that's changing the way we think about money forever as it redefines value preservation. Imagine a future where your purchasing power stays intact. And with Bitcoin, that's more than just a dream. It's a reality that empowers you to combat inflation effectively. Underpinning it all, Bitcoin's governance through strict mathematical principles instead of political whims means it's designed for scarcity, preserving value for generations to come. Look how Bitcoin shields you against inflation. With each upward push in value, it promises not just safety today, but fidelity to your wealth for tomorrow. So, what is Bitcoin? It's not merely a cryptocurrency, it's the key to your financial freedom and an innovative approach to maintaining lasting value.
All right, so I actually think that's quite good. I kind of like the transitions. Of course, you can improve on your own within the editor as well, but I kind of like the flow, and if you're not happy with the script they create, you also have AI tool within the editor to tweak the script you go along. But I actually think I prefer this because it quite naturally integrates the media you provide as well. So I think this is pretty cool. And with anything in AI, it's gonna improve quite rapidly over time. So everything is gonna both look and sound more natural as time goes on as well. But I think it's really cool. All right, so I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching the video. Please give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to our channel. That helps us a lot. And feel free to ask anything in the comments below if you have any questions or any suggestions for future content. Yeah, have a nice day. See you soon. Bye-bye.